Have you ever encountered this problem? We have two text layers, the one on the left is the main text and the one on the right is the link text. As you can see, the main text has two lines. Manchester is in the first line and United is in the second or last line. Now, if we link the link text to the main text, the text will also become two lines. How can we make this text into just one line? United is in the first line. I use this trick in this animation. The main text is two lines, then becomes one line even though the source text is the result of this. In this video, we will learn how to do this using regular expressions. This is the second episode about regular expression. I have also made a video about regular expression before which you can search for. So let's get started. What should we do first? We can write the regular expression directly on this line. Since I want the expression to look neat, I will make this line a variable. So let's name it the main text. Main text equals, then press enter to go to the next line. On this line, we will write the regular expression. First, we will rewrite the variable name. Main text dot replace open parenthesis slash backslash r slash g comma double quotation mark, add space in it, close parenthesis, and then press enter. Notice the text is now on one line. In just a few seconds, our tutorial is finished. But wait, is it really that short? It would be a shame if we didn't find out what this actually is. Let's discuss it. First, main text. The main text is this variable. This com means our composition. Then layer, main text, this layer and its name. Text, source text, text, and source text. In conclusion, take the source text on this layer, then the replace function. It works like this: replace, what to search for, and then replacement. The theory is, what to search for can be a regular string enclosed in double quotation marks or a regular expression, and the replacement must also be a string. For example, a space, an underscore, or an empty string. Let's give an example. Duplicate this layer, delete the regular expression, add double quotation marks, and then put the word United inside. This means that we only take the word United from this text. Then, in the second double quotation mark, we replace it with city, and see what happens to this text. Do you see that? It's very clear, isn't it? That's how this function works. So what does this regular expression mean? First, there is the slash. This symbol at the beginning and end is the opening and closing mark for the regular expression pattern. So when we write this, the computer knows it's a search pattern, not plain text. Since I'm using a Windows system, I use \r, commonly known as carriage return. But if you are using Mac or Linux, use \n, known as line feed. Well, to be safe, let's use both. For example, if we have a project for a client or are creating a template for someone else, we don't know what system they are using. So we can use both at the same time. If we want to use both, we have to add square brackets. This symbol means to search for any of character inside it. So if you write this, it means to search for the line feed or carriage return character. Next, the letter G at the end stands for global, mean don't just replace one line but all lines found in the text. This is very useful if we have text with many lines that are made into one line, such as for running text. Then there is a comma, which is part of the replace function. And finally, double quotation marks, as we discussed earlier. After we remove the line, what will we do with this string? Since the result United will appear on the first line, we will add a space in the string. If we remove the spaces so that the string is empty, the text will be crammed together, which is why we add spaces in it. I hope my lengthy explanation is easy enough to understand, and maybe it can also help you understand an expression. Well, see you again.